Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So today we will discuss regarding the Infosys training and the stream selection. So as we all know that there is a four stream in the Infosys training for the freshers. Either there is SC, DSC or SP. So first of all we have to choose the one of the stream, and then after the stream chosen, the training will be started on the basis of that chosen stream, and then there will be exams, certifications, and all of that to complete the training. So the key points which we have to discuss are number of the domains in Infosys, types, and syllabus and course detail for the all domains, like what are the topics and the technologies, what are the topics they will taught us in the training. So all of this, okay. And then how to choose the best domain. So many of the students have the doubts that which domain will be best for the future scope, which domain will be good for the for exam purpose, that easy or hard. Okay, so all this we will discuss, and then exam pattern for each domain. So starting with the types of domain. So there are basically four domains or streams in Infosys training: big data, mean and money stack, Java, Angular, and React, and .NET. So one can choose any of the streams, and first preference is maximum chances are that you will get the first preference. So the domain you want, put it as a first preference, and then you will definitely get it. Okay. So big data, it's all about the data streaming and data analyzing, data science, and you will learn Hadoop, Spark, how to analysis the data, streaming data analysis, and all that. Mean and Money Stack, as we all know that Mean and Money Stack are the web development part. Anyone having interest in the web development can go with that Mean and Money Stack. Java, Angular, and React. So those who loves coding in Java, they can take it, and .NET. Okay, these four streams are there. Now coming to the syllabus of big data and .NET. So big data is Hadoop, SQL, Java, and Java is very much important. Not high level, but should know the basics one for using MapReduce code and working with the Hadoop. Then there is a Power BI, Pig, Hype, HBase, and one more thing is Spark, PySpark, graphics. All these are the topics of big data. Okay, so then .NET. Topics are C Sharp, SQL Server using ADO.NET, EF Core, Angular, HTML, and CSS. Now coming to there are many of the some more streams, but as of now there is only a four streams, and I hope you don't get and all this other stream, because from our time also there is a four stream only. So it is the maximum chances that you all also have a this four stream only, no SAP and IVS DevOps. Now the Java and Minimum stack. So Java, Angular, React, there will be two subtopics, and you have to choose Java, Angular, or React. And same with the median stack and one stack, you have to choose one out of these two. Topics for the Java, Spring Boot, and Angular. Java and Spring is common. You have to study both if you take Angular, and then Angular, and those who select Angular, then they have to study Angular, and then FA and X certification exams also will be conducted on the basis of that Angular and React. Okay. So mini stack is same HTML, CSS. This is a web development part, so you will have to learn the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, all this, and then Node.js, MongoDB, Express, all that. Okay. Now the question is how to choose the domain. That there's many of the doubts of the student, and which domains would be best for the exams, scoring the exams, clearing the certification exams, which domain is easy, and then many of the questions are future purpose. Okay, which domain is good for the future. Okay, so first of all, select the domain on the basis of skills and the prior knowledge if you have. So better if you have a knowledge in any of the domains, then choose that, because it will help you to study better and clear the certification exams. And because the time is 1.5 or 2 months for the training, and then you have to study all the topics. So if you have a prior knowledge of any of the domains, suppose you know have knowledge in big data, so then go with the big data. If you have good coding skills in Java, then go with the Java. So the point is, if you have a knowledge, then go with that technology. And then second point is, if you are new to the technology, means if you don't know any of the technology, so uh, choose the domain on the basis of its feature scope. That how that data is very much important is nowadays. And world is, means as we all know that data, the millions and trillions of data is just generating. So these are the features. So we go with the big data. Then it's also good for the web development, because many of the there's a vast scope of a web development. So you can choose the domain on the basis of there. Then next is choose domain by the considering interest. Many of them you have interest in web development, okay? Then you can choose me and my stack. You have a Java, you love coding, then you can choose that. Now if you have a interest on the data science, streaming data, analyzing the data, go with the big data. So these all are the point to be noted during the domain selection. And as TSC and IPB, you will definitely get the first preference. So choose the domain and if you which you want, and give the first preference to it. Now exam pattern for the domains are same, but some of the domain like Java and .NET, you will have a coding part like hands-on. In the FAs you have to code, and like min and mon stack also we will have some codings. And in big data there will be no coding, only MCQ will be there. So prepare accordingly of that and choose the domain wisely, and about your knowledge, your interest, okay? And so now thanks for watching the video, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the comment box, and also connect with me in my social IDs has been given in the description. So connect me with me there, okay? Thanks for watching.